Hi, welcome to my TPACK video. So TPACK stands for Teaching, Pedagogy, and Content Knowledge. And I'm gonna do this little activity and then somehow figure out how that all comes together with this activity. So for my project, my husband picked out a couple, a utensil, a plate, and a bowl for me to use. So he picked a fork. This was his plate, and I tried to tell him it's a bowl, but this is like a pasta plate, I guess we'll call it. And then this is a glass bowl. All right. So I'm gonna pick one activity. I wrote them all out on these little pieces of paper, put them in a cup, and I'm gonna pick one. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, so I have everything laid out though, just in case. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this one. I am going to make fruit salad. All right, so all I had to make fruit salad was an apple and a banana. So that's what we're gonna go with. Let me grab them. All right, perfectly browned banana, tasty Honeycrisp apple. So what I'm probably going to do, I guess I could use the bowl to make my salad once I cut it up. This will be my cutting board, and then I guess this is what I have to use for my fork, or to use for my knife. So I think that a knife would have been easier to use in this for this activity, undoubtedly. But a fork, whoops. So like when we use a fork, usually we are supposed to use the stabby end. A lot of times we use it like a shovel, a scoopy end. But it is sharp, and I know if you don't have a knife, you usually just use the side of the fork, right? This, normally I would never want to cut on, I don't know what this is, ceramic or something, but I guess with the fork it'll be okay. So I'm going to use the edge of my fork to slice this banana. Thought I'd do the easy part first. So this is working pretty well. I mean, making cute little banana chunks. All right. So this is, for this banana anyway, I guess a fork is an adequate tool for this task. So I have my banana chunks. I'm going to put them all, I'll use it now like a spoon, or like a scoop, and I'll put them all into my bowl for my lovely apple and banana fruit salad. And now I have this apple, and I should have done the apple first because I'm covered in banana. I'm gonna slip everywhere. So I'm gonna try and do the same thing. I actually was thinking it'd be nice if I had two apples because I could, or two forks because I could spear one and I could cut with the other. But I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna go in at it. This is difficult. Ooh, okay. So I'm gonna use these spines of the tines, I mean, of the fork to like make a cutting guide, maybe, to get through the skin. Let's see. Oh, maybe it's working easier. My fork's going through the edge easier, but it's still, I think I ran into the core of this. Okay. Okay, well, that doesn't look too bad. It's not going to be the world's ugliest fruit salad. It's a little coarse. But now just cutting it. I guess a salad has to be in bite-sized pieces, so let's see. Ugh. I kind of used my hand to cut that. I'm sorry. I guess my hand is a tool. That's always with me. Okay. Yeah, this is using it like a shovel again. Well, I'll just use my hand. I mean, I have some chunks of apple. It worked. Go into my fruit salad bowl. Let's see if I can do this side a little more quickly. Quickly. Oh, it's a juicy apple. Okay. Well, again, I poked the holes, and so the whole side came off kind of all in one go. That made it easy. Oops. Now I'm just using, again, the side of my fork to force through the apple and kind of tearing the skin. What if I tried the, I'm I'm gonna try it skin side first, and it might just chop it. Well, that worked. All right, it cut it quickly. My cats are freaking out because it's loud, but I'm gonna stab the skin again on the sides. Ooh. This side didn't come off quite as beautifully. Well, yeah, it definitely works better to force the skin side first. Just like push on the side with the skin of the apple, because it kind of uses its own, I don't know, pressure builds up, science words, something happens and it helps it go through faster. So here's the rest of my apple. I'm just left with this ugly, sad little core to do something with later. Now I'm going to use this as a salad tosser. Mix up my lovely, beautiful fruit salad. Have this for breakfast, maybe. And there you have it. Delicious fruit salad that was made with a fork and a pasta bowl in a glass dish. So, all right. I'm going to go and reflect on this experience, reread my notes on the video that we watched, and see how I think that this project and TPACK come together.